Welcome back, continuing the news. In this evening's health report, Jamaica brings the final in a two-part series on gynecological laparoscopy procedures.
A gynecological laparoscopy is a minimally invasive procedure. This is where doctors use keyhole surgery to examine the lower abdomen, such as the womb, fallopian tubes, and ovaries. One such condition that can be treated through this procedure is endometrial hyperplasia. This was the case for a 70-year-old Laurabelle Roberts, the health report featured last week, who successfully underwent the procedure.
I'm talking about one of the patients we operated on yesterday who had some medical issues, in her mid-70s. That patient, if we did it open procedure, can have all kinds of potential complications, but because being done through this other technique, literally can go home. She's going home today, right? Literally less than 12 hours after having had her surgery.
The benefits of the procedure are numerous.
In general, laparoscopic surgeries, there are many benefits to the patient, including less pain post-operatively, less downtime. It's more cosmetic. So no longer are we trying to do a big scar, but we're trying to do a scar that is really conducive to beauty and cosmesis. And the outcome for the patient and patient satisfaction is a lot. So I believe that in Jamaica, we need to open this. It's no longer a novelty internationally.
And also productivity for the hospital. You're able to turn over beds faster, so you get more patients in to receive care because your beds are not tied up for these long length of stays.
Despite the advantages, there's concern about its limited availability in Jamaica. Medical experts like Dr. Brown are advocating for wider access to improve women's health.
There are a lot of patients who qualify to be done laparoscopically, but because the discipline and the skill, there is a learning curve to it. Not everyone offers it widely. I know it's offered in the private sphere a lot, but as it relates to the public sphere, we're basically taking baby steps, one step at a time, to bring it from here to Jamaica.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.